So, it turns out many of us have been applying our foundation wrong. I mean, raise your hands if you've just been applying moisturizer and then a primer. For those of you who don't even apply a primer, let's not just get started, okay? And then you just slap on your foundation. Me. That's what I've been doing for the last God knows how many years. I saw this apparently viral makeup hack on Sagiona Lazarov's channel. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. And it turns out that this makeup hack has been going viral on TikTok. First of all, I think I need to re-download TikTok because it seems like that's where all life secrets are at this point. Just give me a minute. Welcome back, guys. If you're new on here, I am Sophia. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll pretty much be breaking down the correct steps, or the right order, or the right procedure, saying the same thing over and over again. I'm going to be breaking down the step-by-step process you need to follow to make sure your foundation applies flawlessly, to make sure your foundation stays all day long, all night long, dancing with your boo night long, kind of long. I'm sure you get it. I'm going to show you guys how to apply your foundation so it lasts all day, so it's not as shiny for those of you who like dewy makeup, because I love my dewy makeup, but I'm gonna confess sometimes it comes out a little bit shiny. This will take away the shine and just leave the dew, guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe. Before I give you all the tea, you know you gotta subscribe. Make sure to like, share, comment, and let me know what you think about this makeup hack. So it turns out the correct procedure when it comes to applying foundation is to moisturize and then prime, and then apply translucent setting powder, apply some setting spray, and then apply, oh, I guess I got one more finger, and then apply your foundation. Who knew? I didn't. You guys didn't tell me. Anyways, I just want to quickly demonstrate this for you guys so you guys can see the process. It's not really, I know it sounds like a lot of steps, but it really isn't. You need to watch this video and you need to switch up your foundation routine. So let's just quickly get into the demonstration, guys. Okay, so like I said earlier, the correct steps to applying your foundation, I'm just going to repeat it again, is to first moisturize, then apply your primer, then you want to set it with a translucent setting powder. Don't use your Sacha Buttercup. Actually, I don't know if you can use it, but let's just follow the instruction as they've been given. Translucent setting powder, and then you want to apply a setting spray. Give your setting spray a couple minutes to, you know, set, dry up, whatever, however you like to put it, and then you want to apply your foundation. I'm gonna start by applying my moisturizer. I use the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer, and I already have a little bit on my face, but just for the sake of the video, let's apply a little bit more. I'm gonna be using the brush just because my hands are dirty. I've been, you know, doing all the good work. You can see my eyes are done. Just gonna tap that into my skin. I'm gonna move on to priming my face. I use the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, the Blur and Smooth. So this works really good for me. It pretty much just blurs out all my pores. So just a little. There we go. I know I said just a little, but that was a lot. And then I'm gonna go into my No Problem Prime Essence from Touch in Soul. And this just helps my pores. I don't seem to have as much, but just a little around my nose area. I'm going to move on to setting my face with a translucent setting powder. I'm going to be using this one from NYX, or do you guys call it NYX? I'm not sure. It's called the SFX set. You don't need a lot. I'm just going to lightly pat the powder into my face. I think we can skip the neck, but I already did it. I like to apply that powder here because I crease here a lot. Here, and just a little extra just on my smile lines, I should say. Now to set my face, I'm going to be using my Badescu setting spray. I really love this setting spray. I swear by this setting spray. It is everything. I'm just gonna give it a moment to do its thing. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I use the Maybelline Superstay foundation and I'm in shade 356 or warm coconut. And we're just gonna apply a couple pumps. I think this is a foundation brush. Now, I'm not sure if you guys see or notice the difference in my foundation routine. It's clearly a whole lot less shiny. Like, usually when I apply my foundation at this stage, like, you already have a whole lot of shine, and then I have to go in with my concealer, put in the setting powder, and then the shine reduces a little bit. I really love dewy makeup, but I think this is the right way to kind of do dewy. Everything's just seamless, everything's just flawless. So let me just quickly finish this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so now back where I left off. I'm done with my face. As you guys can see, I am dewy, but I am not shiny, and that is great. My foundation is perfect, and just applying your foundation right, again, it pretty much just sets off the tone of your makeup. My face, for a lack of a better word, has just been pretty much flawless since I've been following this routine. So I really wanted to share with you guys so you guys can, you know, shake up your makeup game a little. If you've been sleeping on all these makeup hacks like I have been in the past God knows how many years, now it's time to wake up. Okay, wake up, switch it up, and thank me later. If you guys want to see how I created this soft glam eye look, make sure to turn on your post notifications. I'm gonna be posting the full video. You know, I want to show you guys how to create a nice simple spring summertime glam. I know we're not really going out because of quarantina, the Rona, but that's okay. That's okay. We're still gonna look good, okay, for ourselves, because that's what's most important, right? A few of the things you can do to make sure that your foundation is flawless is to, one, shave your face. Guys, I never knew this until I'll say maybe a month back or two. I shaved my face, I think a couple weeks after I shaved my hair, and my foundation has been applying way more flawlessly than it used to. Another thing I've stopped doing is baking my under eyes. Honey, if you have a lot of texture underneath here, you want to stop baking. But anyways, that's not really the point of the video. I just want to show you guys how to apply your foundation flawlessly. If you guys would like a video with all the makeup hacks that I have learned, because I feel like I've learned a bunch of them recently and I would really love to share. So if you guys would love to see that video, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share this makeup hack with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.